long pattern and average weather conditions of a particular place over a specific period of time. Climate change is a shift in weather patterns such as temperature, precipitation, and wind. Climate change have adverse effects on agriculture, that is both plants and animals. It is caused by the depletion of the ozone layer, which is caused by human activities such as burning of fossil fuels, emission of green gases, then deforestation. In our case, we will be talking mostly about livestock production. In agriculture, climate change is having adverse effects on livestock production. Firstly is food availability. Climate change affects food availability, thereby altering the abundance and availability of food, pests and seeds that is used in feeding these plants. Whenever there is extreme weather conditions such as drought, flooding, it affects the food value chain, thereby causing destruction in the production of food to feed these animals.
Heat-stressed animals, there's reduction in feed intake. Animals which are heat-stressed are not able to eat enough food or take enough food. This can lead to reduction in nutrient intake and also decrease in production and productivity. Secondly, there is high mortality rates in heat-stressed animals. When animals are heat-stressed, there is high probability of dying, mostly in the vulnerable ones, which are the younger ones and the older ones, which can lead to reduction in production.
Disease and parasite stress. Climate change really affects diseases and parasites among livestock. Rising in temperature alters the population and habitats of these diseases, causing a very harmful effect to farmers. Actually, rift fever or rift valley fever and blue tongue is one of the devastating sicknesses of diseases that really affect livestock farmers. These are all caused as a result of climate change. Warmer temperature and changes in pattern of precipitation are really the causes of these. Water availability, high temperature, as I said earlier, and precipitation pattern changes causes scarcity in the water, which is being supplied to poultry or which is being supplied in livestock. When these climate changes do occur, there is a severe evaporation of our water bodies and waters around. This makes farmers find it very difficult to get water to feed their stock.
Okay, so we've seen the impact and the damages climate change is causing in agriculture and livestock as a whole. Meanwhile, by studying all these effects and damages climate change is causing, farmers can also come together and implement some strategies to mitigate all these happenings, all these damages. Farmers can plant resistant free varieties when it comes to the crop. When you plant these resistant free varieties, even in adverse weather conditions, most of your crops will be able to survive it. And farmers also can be educated on afforestation. Farmers need to know and understand the need to preserve our forest. Farmers need to know the need to preserve our lands, our environment, and so they will be able to combine farming and preserving the land, so that that is for our own good. Farmers can also rear climate resilience breed, so that in adverse weather conditions, in adverse temperature, the animals will be able to withstand every weather condition in that particular area. Thank you very much.